Alright, what's up YouTube? So, if you crack your screen, you can't turn it on, you shattered it, maybe your iPhone or iPad got stolen, or maybe you're at the club partying and you need to turn off Find My iPhone. This video is for you guys in particularly. Alright, hey guys, so this is the first method. You want to type in iCloud.com/find. Once you go ahead and enter that, it's obviously going to ask for your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication, which everybody does now, don't worry about receiving the code, okay? This only works if you know your Apple ID and password. So once you enter your Apple ID and password, I'm obviously signed in here, so it's going to send me the code, but I'm not using it. As you can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and click Do Not Allow. Just go ahead and exit out of this. If you know your Apple ID and password, you can sign in to remove Find My iPhone, okay? So it's going to show you a list of devices here. And if the device is powered on, you have to make sure it's powered off. Otherwise, you're not going to see the option to remove Find My iPhone. I'll show you guys an example here. For instance, my iPhone XS Max, it's currently powered on. If I wanted to remove that, click on it, all I see is Play Sound, Lost Mode, Erase Phone. You don't have the option to remove from account because the device is powered on. So, let me show you another example of one that's offline. See here how you have Play Sound, Lock, Erase, or Remove. So the device has to be powered down in order to see this removed from account. So if you want to send this in for repair, maybe you're switching it into the carrier, whatever the case may be, you have to turn off Find My iPhone. The other option is just iCloud.com without the /find. Here, once again, this only applies if you know your Apple ID and password, okay? So enter your Apple ID and password. Once you enter that information, you'll see the option at the very bottom. It says Find My iPhone. So once again, click on Find My iPhone, the bottom left. There you go. See, it's asking for a verification code. I'm not entering that, although I have mine, but I'm just showing you guys for your purposes. And there you go. You click on Find My iPhone, it'll show you a list of devices. Once again, you'll see them here. And so, long story short, the actual iPhone has to be powered down. If it's not powered down, you won't see the option to remove Find My iPhone. Alright, hope this helps you guys.